Let's do it.
Go fast, don't crash.
Yep.
15. 10. Start 50. Left 5 and right 4 opens long. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Start 50. Left 5 and right 4 opens long into crest, into left 4, into crest, into left 4, into right 6 over crest, left 4, right 6 over crest, and left 5 long, and left 5 long, and left 5 opens, left 5 long, and left 5 opens, 5 opens, and crest, and left 4 gravel, and crest, and left 4 gravel, into right 4, to right 4, into left 6 over crest, 50 tarmac, 6 over crest, 50 tarmac, right 5, right 5, 150 gravel crest, into right 3, cut onto tarmac. More aggressive than last time. 50, left 5, loose, 70, left 5, loose, 70, crest in left 4, crest in left 4, and right 5 on gravel. Right 5 on gravel, tighten 4 down, tighten 4 down.
Yeah, that was the one you were late on last time.
70, left 5 tightens and right 4, left 5 tightens and right 4. Right 4 into crest, right 4 into crest 150, crest 150, right 4 into crest into left 3 long, right 4 into crest into left 3 long, left 3 long, 50, left 5 down, over water bar, right 3 loose, open, water bar, left 5 down into right 3, water bar, it's nothing, it's nothing, it's nothing, and right 4, left 4, right 4, left 4, 50, right 4, left 4, 50, left 4, 50 again, left 4, 50 again, crest in left 5, 80, right 4, 50, crest in left 5, crest in left 5, 80, left 4 loose, into crest is right 3 down, left 4 loose, into crest is right 3 down, tightens 2, tightens 2. I like that adjustment now. 100. Left 5, exit over crest. Left 5, exit over crest into right 5 tarmac. Left 5, exit over crest into right 5 tarmac. Over crest to right 5 tarmac. Right 4, right 5 tarmac. Right 4, crest into left 3 onto gravel. Crest into left 3 onto gravel. Tight opens into bump. Bump. Into right 5.
3?
Right.
Is that a 4? Okay.
Right 5. That was a 3.
Gotcha.
Right 5 into crest into right 4 gravel into 70 left 4 up behind right 4 loose. Right 4 loose. 150. Right 5 over crest gravel. Right 5 over crest gravel. 100 down.
Right 5 over crest.
Yeah, right 5 over crest. Left 4 opens. I
Here's
believe.
The right 5.
Maybe.
Over
100
crest.
down.
This is the 4.
Yeah, left 4 open,
4.
100 down tarmac, yeah. I psyched myself out too much. Right 5, into keep left over crest. Right 5, into keep left over crest. Keep left over crest, keep it flat, 100. Right 5, 70, left 3 long. Right 5, 70, left 3 long. Into big crest 200. Left 3 long. Big crest 200. Keep middle over crest 100 loose into left 4 loose. Keep middle over crest 100 loose into left 4 loose. Fucking hell, DJ, hell yeah. Left 4 loose. You got it?
Yeah.
Tight. Opens, tightens long. Keep into right 3. Kinks 200. Kinks 200, keep left over crest 100. Kinks 200, keep left over crest 100, left 4. 100, left 4. Right 1 up, gravel. 50. Right 5. 4, up, opens long, tightens, crest, after ghost mailbox. Tightens, after crest, ghost mailbox. Right 5, long down.
That's not the ghost.
Oh, that's not the ghost? Right 5, long down. It's up here, right 5, long down, I believe.
That's it.
Right 5, long down, 70. Left 5, very long. Left 5, very long. And left 5, very long. And left 5. And left 5 again. And left 5. And left 5.
Right 6.
Right 6, yep.
Shit, that's 6th gear.
Right 6 and left 5. 100. And left 5. 100. Right 4 loose. Right 4 loose, long, tight. 50. At mailbox, it's now not there.
Oh, god damn it.
What?
2nd gear.
At mailbox is not there. Left 6, 100. Keep middle, over jump, into right 6 long. Keep middle, over jump, into right 6 long. Into right 6 long, this jump. Right 6 long, 100. Left 5 long. Right 6 long. Left 5 long, 70. Left 5 long, 70. Left 5.
Oh.
Left 5. Right left 5. Line don't short. Right left 5. Line don't short.
Yep.
100. I think someone took out a cone. 100. Left 5. Long. Tightens long. Tightens long.
5.
Left 5. Tightens long. Tightens long. 100. Tarmac. Left 5 over bridge. 120. Left 5 over bridge. 120. Right 5 long. Left 5 over bridge. 120. Right 5 long. And left 4. Right 5 long. And left 4 into right 4. Left 4 into right 4. 70. Right 4. 70. Right 6 into left 6. Right 6 into left 6 and bridge. Right 6 into left 6 and bridge. 50. Left 6 tightens and caution left 4 loose over bridge. Caution left 4 loose over bridge. Quick. I just want to give you ahead of time.
Yep.
Left 4 loose over bridge. 100. Left 5 over bridge. Don't. Left 5 over bridge. Don't. Another bridge. Don't. Left 5 over bridge. Don't. 100. Left 5 and right 4 very long. Tightens 3. Left 5 and right 4 very long. Tightens 3. Right 4 very long. Tightens 3. Kinks 250. Tightens 3. Kinks 250. Left 5 long, tightens 4, into finish 70. Left 5 long, tightens 4, and finish 70. Now there's 2 boards this time. Left 5 long, tightens 4. Oh my god, you're gonna do it again. Finish 70. Oh, you didn't do it this time.
Nice job.
Good job, dude. I can hear you breathing.
Yeah.